Hi, in this video we'll discuss Roman numbers. So what are Roman numerals? So Roman numerals are numerals which are written using symbols from the English alphabet. So we use different symbols. For example, I, the value of I is 1, V, value of V is 5, X, value of Y, X is 10, L, value of L is 50, C, value of C is 100, D, value of D is 500, and M, value of M is 1000. So how we can write the numbers using these symbols? So let's see. So first of all, repetition of symbols. So we can repeat symbols and we can write bigger numbers. So for example, if we know I is equal to 1. So if we'll have to write 2, so we'll have to repeat I. So if we write I and I, so this become 2. If we write I, so it's become 3. So we can repeat numbers, we can repeat symbols and it will increase the numbers. So let's see what is the rule of repetitions and how many times we can repeat it. So first of all, value of symbol is added as many times as it occurs. So what is that? So for example, if we repeat I and I, it become 2. If we repeat I, it become 3. If we repeat X and X, it's become 20. If we write X 3 times, so 10 plus 10 plus 10. So we add the value whenever the symbol is repeated, but we cannot repeat the symbol by more than 3 times. So we cannot write X and it will not be 40. And V, L and D, symbol V, symbol L and symbol D are never repeated. So we cannot write V and V is equal to 10, or we cannot say L and L is equal to 50 plus 50, 100, or D and D is equal to 500 plus 500, 1000. So C3, so again C3, we cannot repeat I to make it 4. We'll write V and then I. So let's understand this rule, how 4 is I plus V. So we can have a symbol of a smaller value either written to the right of the symbol of greater value or left of the symbol of greater value. So if it's at the right of symbol of greater value, its value is added. So for example, Xi, so here it's 10 plus 1. So here I is at the right hand side of X, so its value is added. And if it's at the left hand side of X, so its value is subtracted. So if it's right, its value is added. If it's left, its value is subtracted. So let's see again. We cannot repeat a symbol more than 3. So to write 4, we'll have to write V, which is 5, and then we write I at the left of V. So its value will be subtracted. So V is 5, I is equal to 1, so 5 minus 1. We write 5 as a 5, V is 5, so we need not to add anything or subtract anything. And then 6, we write V and I at the right of V, then its value will be added. So 5 plus 1 will be 6. Similarly, we add V, I, so V is 5, I is 1, I is 1. So 5 plus 1 plus 1 will be 7. Then 8 will be V, I. So V is 5, I is 3, so 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So see, like we cannot repeat a number more than or a symbol more than 3 times. So we cannot write 9 as VIII. So we know symbol of 10 is X. So here it's X, and if we write I at the left of X, its value will be subtracted. So 9 become IX, I to the left of X, and we know X is equal to 10. We need not to add or subtract anything from 10. So let's also discuss other rules relating to Roman numbers. So here V, L and D are never written to the left of a greater symbol. So we cannot write V, L, D. V is 5, L is 50 and D is 500. So 5, 50 and 500. We cannot write these symbols to the left of greater symbols. So we cannot write like this: V, L is 50, V is 5, so it will not become 45. If we'll have to write 45, we'll have to write L, then we write X to the left of it. So L minus 10 will 50 minus 10 will be 40, and then we write V to the right, 45. So next, I can come only left of V and X. So we cannot write I to the left of L, C, D or M. So for example, IL is not equal to 49. If we have to write I, if we have to write 49, we'll have to write L, which is 50, then X to the left of L, which is become 40, and then we'll have to write 9, which is I and X. So this will be 49. So next rule is X can only be to the left of L, C and M. So we cannot write X to the left of D. So for example, if we have to write 490, we cannot write X or D. So we'll have to write D, which is 500, C, which is 100. So it will become 500 minus 100, 400, and then XC, which is 90. So 490. So let's see like how we can write bigger or larger Roman numbers. So if we add bar on any symbol, its value is multiplied by 1000. So for example, V bar will be 5 multiplied by 1000, which is 5000. Similarly, X bar will be equal to 10 multiplied by 1000, which is 10,000. So we can in the same manner add bar above L, C, D and M, and their value will be multiplied by 1000. We don't add bar on I because we already have symbol for 1000, which is M.